Hi all, today we are taking a look at CXOne and how to fix the refused calls issue. Let's get into it. So there are a couple things that I like to do right off the bat. So first of all, we are going to come up to our extensions, manage extensions, and we want to remove the CXOne agent. We'll go ahead and remove that. And then we can go over to the settings options in the left and come down to delete browsing data. We're going to go ahead and select all time. Browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files is just fine. We will delete that. Okay, got it. And now we can close down Chrome. You always want to restart Chrome after doing those things. We will then come back here and come up to the top right. We'll go back to extensions, visit Chrome Web Store. We're going to type in CXOne. We are going to get that WebRTC extension back. So we're going to add this to Chrome, add extension. The extension was added, perfect. Let's go ahead and pin that. And then we are going to want to go to options, make sure you enable, perfect. We should be all good to go and you should not be receiving that error anymore. Let me know if this video helped, leave a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.